Hey everybody, just thought I'd come on my break and take a nice nature walk through the park just to relax a minute and so I can be refreshed and go back and have a productive afternoon. It's really nice out today. The park needs a little TLC. Whoa! See what I mean? About fell on a stick. But hopefully they'll get to it soon. But it is pretty out here. I'll try and turn it around so you can see it. Let me see if I can figure that out here. Well, I'm not really sure I can, so I'll just turn it. So yeah, it's really beautiful day, and I'm just thankful, and my hair's blowing everywhere. Thankful and blessed. I'm hoping you're having a blessed day as well. I'll see you next time. Bye.